Sunday besilapha sonke.
Yeah, utheni konje? Ukhala wena.
Ebengikhala i-combination kaMtasingwa, kaMabuya, alomjida uNgcobo. Yeah, so mangi-analyze amajida bakhala badaya akalazi idisk. Check i-combination kaMabuya noMthethwa today. Isenzeleni. uMthethwa ugood kwini amabhola, uNgcobo ubetha ama-passes, so create more chances.
Yeah.
But if problem afanele siyifixe la,
Yes.
Frosler, Quinica, Miguel,
They
need to
communicate, and bayekudlala ama-back passes too much. And uFrosler today ngeba create more chances. La wing kaPhili kangayidlalisi too much kwi-first half. Abengamniki ibhola. Yabo. So angani King Solomon.
Mhlawumbe bemfisa nje.
Sizodla ngala mfana, so you must create more chances ukuthi angene esikhathini. Yeah, kwangeni King Solomon. Today we are happy because of King Solomon. Uyibonile la pass la. Yeah, King Solomon wenza ukuthi sibe happy today. Ushaya enye pass la. Then uPatman wayigqibezela umntana. Inet. Yabo kamnandi. Yeah, wangena wayimastera mtu. Mastara. We don't feel cold because we are happy. Yeah, other thing Kaizer Chiefs Fanalians, Uktolu number 10, a strong number 10. Yeah, because we have a problem. If Chilester is not there, we have a problem. Batman is a young boy.
No,
we don't want that boy. We must get other one. We must get other one, not Mfuken.
Santos.
Man, we were going to send our scout to check something. Not these regular boys. We want something because we are a big team.
We need a strong number 10.
A strong number 10 so that can create more passes. So that ubonile Igor Diarra kadlalanga too much and up engena deep as collected ibhola because of abamdlalisi yabo. So masingathola a strong number 10 because Umthethwa begood noMabuya. So ngokushoda that number 10 ozofaka ama-passes da ama-striker wethu a-convert. But try nokushuta nje in time. Otherwise, Kosi for life, we are cruising nicely. We will meet Sundowns on Sunday. If you can, Saturday, I mean. If you check the previous season, we are away in your home. Sundowns is Angisbet. How's Angisbet Sundowns? We're not scared of Sundowns. Last season, Sikalamatro games are 2 between Tina and Sundowns. So this time around, Sundowns is as a flat.
But the game mustn't be so physical like the one in Pretoria.
Mustn't physical, non-Ndlovu funeka hafule. Kaloku laa nto sasiyithethe ukuthi abengathi ubeka inyawo kancane yayi game plan yePirates. So ngoku makubuye laa Ndlovu, laa Ndlovu sasimthengile. Angabi rough, asifuna collect amakhadi, yellow card, create ama-fouls. Makubuye laa Ndlovu. Siyayazi ulantu yabona uMdawu uyathanda ukushinda nyana. So umuntu ozoba i-opponent kaMdawu funeka adlale so close kuMdawu. Abe close so that azosicreatela ama-fouls. Yabo, because the Kaizer Chiefs iguti kuma-free kick, kuma-corner kick, kuma-penalties, yabo, so that umuntu ozawuba i-opponent kaMdawu amgayi tough time. Unasasandla uMdawu aloku ephusha ngaso. Thank you so much, my guy. We'll see you on Saturday.
We talk good when I say.